Hello, today we will discuss the Tom and Jerry game from CODECHEF June Long Challenge. There's no prerequisite for this problem. We need to find the number of possible values of JS for Jerry to win. The game rules are as shown. In short, at end TS needs to be odd and JS needs to be even. Let's look at some observations from the problem statement. We know that until both are even a game continues. So if TS is a perfect power of 2, then after all division it will end at 1. To win, TS should be odd and JS should be even. Also, JS is less than or equal to TS. So, as per first case, both will get divided by 2, and at end JS less than or equal to TS. So, our focus should be first make TS an odd number, because to win we need TS to be odd. Now when we have TS as odd, any even number below it will satisfy the condition to win a game. For example, TS is 24. 24 halves equals 12, 12 halves equals 6, 6 halves equals 3. For the above 3 steps JS also needs to be even, which we can easily make. Now suppose TS is 3, so possible values of JS to win is 2. Now to make step 1 true, we can simply make JS multiply by 2 thrice. JS will be 16 to 8 to 4 to 2. TS will be 24 to 12 to 6 to 3. And JS wins. Few more examples. TS is 56. So 56 by 2 is 28, by 2 is 14, by 2 is 7. Now it's odd. At fourth step we need JS to be even. Possible values of JS equals 6, 8, 4, 2, let any one be denoted by X. TS equals 56 to 28 to 14 to 7. And JS equals 8X to 4X to 2X to X. Here, at end X should be even for Jerry to win, for which we have 4 possibilities. TS equals 23, which is already odd. So JS simply needs to be even, that is 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4 or 2. Use any one and Jerry will win, so possible answers 11. So, let's see the code logic. We can simply divide TS until it becomes odd. Number of even number below it will be the answer. Let's verify that from our example. In first, we get the final odd number as 7. So, doing an integer division, 7 halves equals 3, and we can see that number of even numbers below 7 is 3 only. Looking into second example, the number is already odd. So, 23 halves equals 11, and we can see that there were 11 possible answers. The code for this is simple now. While loop to reduce TS to an odd number. Return no of ways by doing an integer division by 2. And we get the answer. If this helped you understand, please leave a comment below. Also, comments is open for any queries related to this. Thank you.